Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. I'm Doug Roaring and about to show you a really special form of our native trout lily. The trout lilies are in the genus Erythronium. This is Erythronium americanum, and the cultivar is Silver Pigeon. The typical Erythronium americanum has a mottled green and burgundy leaf, but as you can see, this leaf is entirely sort of silver green color, and these of course are its flowers, showing its close relationship to the true lilies and tulips and other things in the lily family. They get their common name of trout lily from the mottled pattern of the leaves. They have other common names such as dogtooth violet. I can't figure out the violet connection, but the dogtooth refers to the bulb. It has a true bulb underground, and it is very much shaped like a canine tooth. The genus Erythronium occurs in good parts of the northern hemisphere. The largest number of species are on the west coast of the U.S. We have a handful of species here. I believe Europe has just one species, and that is Erythronium dens canis, tooth of the dog. And then Asia has a number of species. It's a true spring ephemeral, coming up in late winter, blooming, and then by late spring it's completely disappeared again until next spring. It typically grows in a woodland garden. It'll tolerate a sunny location, but it's not particularly happy out in full sun on those hot spring days. So it's best in a lightly shaded woodland garden. Some erythroniums, and Erythronium americanum is one, where they spread underground. These young plants are not seedlings, but they have a slender rhizome, and they make an ever widening colony. And sometimes the colonies can get quite vast, and you don't necessarily have a huge number of flowers. I was thrilled to see this many flowers today. They're open during daylight hours. They'll close up again come evening and stay closed on a gray day. And they're not in bloom terribly long, but such a treat when they are in bloom. And this silver foliage is also magical on a moonlit night because you'll see it in the dark. So this is one that we hope to put into production, so might be available before too many more years go by. Erythronium americanum, Silver Pigeon, a real treasure. Thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the future.